With Controlix Services, we offer a comprehensive portfolio of digital and best-in-class classic services throughout the entire product lifecycle. This includes services also especially for machine builders who can make use of our service organization in over 50 countries and with more than 2,000 highly trained experts. For example, we offer services to make it more easy and cost-effective to engineer machines and to offer services for them. Of course, we also offer especially services to end users to decrease downtime and maximize a machine's lifetime. If you want to know more about it, we are looking forward to hear from you and to show also you how you can benefit individually from working together with us.